Why do people get embarrassed when they sneeze in public? Toastmaster Victoria.
I started a table topics master, fellow Toastmasters, fellow guests. I don't think I get any feelings when I sneeze in public. The automatic reaction is say, excuse me. And when somebody sneezes, say, bless you. Sometimes I think about the language. What do I say it in Russian? Do I say it in English? But lately I'm so used to English, it's just automatic. Even in the yoga class, I say bless you, and then I say, oh, I'm supposed to stay quiet. I'm not supposed to disturb people. But I guess somebody does get embarrassed, maybe because they thinking they disturbing people from them doing something more important. But that's automatic reaction of your body. You just sneeze. So excuse me is the right answer. And I would stick with that, and I would always say bless you, even if it's quiet. Thank you.